Online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain about the Google Ads search campaign, how to set up a search campaign. Before you set up a search campaign, you should understand very important things. First of all, Google Ads account structure. I already explained in the previous video. I'm giving the link, you just go there. Account, campaign, ad group, keywords, and ads. So, whatever we are using, this is called Google AdWords. Previously, they used to call it as a Google AdWords. Now, they're calling it as a Google Ads. So, directly type, in order to go to this, google.com/ads, so that you can go to the Google Ads page. But Google also have another platform called Google Ads AdWords Express. What is the difference between Google Ads and Google AdWords Express? Google AdWords Express, people who don't have a knowledge on Google Ads, they don't know what is bidding, what is daily budget, what is CPC, what is max CPC. These kind of people, what they do is simply they enroll for AdWords Express. Here you just give money. That's it. Google will take care of everything. Most of the options they will take care. There is no control on you. So what happens? They will give you sales, but the problem is you have a chance of losing more money. So Google always try to take you to the Google AdWords Express, and you always should escape from that. You should go to Google Ads only. So generally what happened? People type Google AdWords and they click. When you're doing it the first time, you click on the ad, but this ad directly take you to the Express only. You should not click on that. Click on this one. Here also some options are there which you have to do it. Follow me so that you have a chance of escaping from Google Ads Express. Fine. Then log in with your Gmail account. Okay. If you are doing for the first time, you have to do like this. You already have an account, Google Ads account. If you click on the ad also, nothing will happen. I can see the customer support number. You have any questions on Google Ads, you can ask them. Sign in. Now you have to log in with your Gmail account. Right. You can see still it is showing Express. Means still we are in AdWords Express only. We have to come out from that. Yes. Yeah. Google Ads, again, this is the tool of Google. Whenever they want, they can change the tool. So 10 days back, the different view was there. Now the different view they're giving anyway. So whatever it might be, what they're asking is start advertising in 3 easy steps. Select your ad goal, collect your ad, set your budget. But actually here one more option will be coming, like experience with Google Ads. Then click on this. There is an option called experience with Google Ads. You have to click on that. It will go somewhere else. But here that option is not coming. I don't know why. Have you opened any time for Google Ads? First time you're doing it? Are you sure? Okay, I'll do in such a way. See here, with his Gmail account, he logged in here. There is a plus symbol again. See, switch to expert mode. I refreshed it, something else come. They do tricks in such a way that they want you to take to the Express only, but you have to escape from that. See, now when I refresh, different thing is coming. What is asking? What's your main advertising goal? Get more calls, get more website sales, get more visits. And what do you have to do? Nothing is there. So click on this. But they made in a small font. No one will see. They blindly click on this. They give you more money. I believe Google is very good, but thoda cheap tricks they're doing it. So are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. This you have to do mandatory. So whenever you log in to the Google Ads first time, if that switch option is not coming, refresh it again. Or else try to click on this. Then after some time, he only showing that. Now see the Express has gone. The Express has gone over here. Now we are in a proper Google Ads tool. 1.5 years back, the Google Ads tool was completely different. They created a new tool like this to make it more faster. But after this coming, it become very slow. This only becomes slow actually. But many options they have included. Right. And with one Gmail account, 20 accounts you can create. Let me show you how to create 20 accounts here. So this is your ID 51057723345. That is a unique ID. Every person you'll be having a separate unique ID. Whenever you have a problem, you can call to Google Ads people. You have to mention this number so that they try to solve your query. Right. Once you click here, it's not taking the click. Yeah. Click on the plus symbol so that another account will be created. In such way, a number of accounts you can create. Yeah. When you log in for the first time, again, it is asking, what do you want, man? Whether you want sales, leads, website traffic, consideration, brand awareness, promotion. Which one you have to select? Nothing. First of all, what is the AdWords account structure? First account, right? You log in with your Gmail account, but first you have to create an account. So create an account without a campaign. You have to click on this. I want an account first. Now it is asking, confirm your business information, billing country, time zone, and currency. Assume that your client is Indian, then make it as Indian rupee. If it is US, make it as US dollars. Yours is client is US, but you mention Indian rupee, but you want to change later, you can't change. At account level only you can change. Later you can't change. That's why you have to choose very carefully. You missed it, you can't do anything. Rather, you can create a new account. Click on the plus symbol, create a new account. At the time, proper country, currency, you can mention it. Submit. Now the account has been created. Congrats, you're all done. If you reach this position, then only your account is going in a proper way. You have to come like this. Now you escape from a AdWord Express. Again, I'm showing one more way. Assume that this is Apollo Hospital account. So only numbers are there. There is no name. How to give a name? Click on Tools. Under Setup, there is an option called Preferences. So here you can mention your name. So I'm mentioning like original accounts. Save. Now that is your account. It will come anyway after some time. Next, click on this. Click on the plus symbol. You're creating another account. You got another client. For him also you're doing. Click on the plus symbol. Here the main one is 51057723345. Now another account has been created. 607 507 546. See again, it's Express again. What do you have to do now? Switch to expert mode. If you don't do it again, it's an express account. Switch to express mode. Even if you go to Google channel also, they will not explain all these things. Now what I have to do now? You need account actually. Now assume that I want to target to US client. This is by default India it is there. But you want to pay in currency US dollars, let it be like this. Then another account also created. I want to name this. How to name this? So tools, under setup you have a preferences, give the name. Now I'm writing like it's a USA client. Save. See, original account, this is Google Ads account. You just refresh it and see you have two accounts. So maximum how many accounts you can create? 20 account. But you have a 21 account. Then what do you have to do?
Previous account automatically.
Delete. No option. There is no option of deleting it. Then create another Gmail account. You have 50 clients, 3 accounts. It's impossible, right? Again, solution is there. See, original account, yours a client. But maximum 20 accounts only. Assume that yours is an agency, multiple clients will come. At that time, what you have to do is create a MCC account, my client center account. MCC account. Manage multiple Google Ads clients account. So you can see a Google AdWords, my client center. This account you have to create it. So you have to sign up here. But if you want to sign up with this Gmail account, it's not possible now. Because if you want to create a my client center, it has to be with a fresh Gmail account. Fresh Gmail account means you should not have used it in Google Ads prior. Fresh Gmail account only, which is possible anyway. So next I'll be creating one video. That video I'll be showing how to create a my client center and how to link all your clients here. You have 1,000 clients also, you can link with them. There is no limit actually. Whereas a normal Google Ads account, you have a 20 limit. But whereas a my client center, there is no limit. Unlimited people, you can assign it over here. Right, everything is done. So this is the difference between a Google Ads and Google Ads Express. Right. Now I want to create a campaign now. So initially you will see campaign setting, location, change history only. But due the course, you will get n number of options. You'll fill these options anyway. Right. I want to create a campaign. Account is done, right? In the account structure, first account, next campaigns. Now click on the campaign. Before doing it, let me confirm what I'm doing here. So for ODMT, I want to run ads. I want to run my ads on Hyderabad and Bangalore. Again, under Hyderabad, I want to train SEO, Google Ads, and digital marketing. These courses I want to explain. Again, in Bangalore also, I want to do the same thing. So first, I'm doing a AdWords account structure. Now here related all keywords you have to mention. SEO training in Hyderabad, Google Ads training in Hyderabad, then the ad. Account has been created just now. Now campaigns I want to create. When you're working on the paper, Hyderabad, Bangalore, you will create. After that, Google Ads, ad groups you'll create. But in the practical, first you'll create a campaign, you'll create ad groups, keywords, ads, then you'll go to another campaign. So I'm selecting campaign. And click on plus or new campaign option. Any option you can select plus. New campaign. Now they're asking, what do you want, man? Sales you want, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, blah, 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 many options there. Don't select anything. Create a campaign without a goal. By selecting this, don't feel like I'm not taking any sales or lead. If you select these options, some more options will come. That's it. I'll tell you. When I select sales, It is showing only this many campaigns are possible. When app, only one campaign is possible. But when you select this, all campaigns will come. So it is your responsibility to select the proper one. We are marketers, experienced marketer, we know which one. So I want to go for search campaign. As of now, I'm running a search campaign. Next is asking what do you want? Website visits, phone calls, app downloads. Nothing I want it. I will do it my own. I don't need a Google Ads help. I'm saying here. Continue. Here also no goals. I said here also nothing. Continue. Right. Campaign name. What is the campaign name? ODMT is the account name. So campaign means places, right? So Hyderabad or Bangalore. See, I mentioned a campaign name as Hyderabad. It can be any name. If I mention Hyderabad, it doesn't mean that it will come in Hyderabad. That's the name only for your reference. You can do anything. I'm writing search Hyderabad. If you go for a search network, where your ad will appear? Search network. Online digital marketing courses. When I'm selecting, so this is the search ad, text to ad. Where it is appearing in SERP, your ad will appear on SERP only, not everywhere. But apart from SERP, Google have some search partners. Assume that AOL.com, that is also one search engine. They also partner with the Google. There also people search online digital marketing training, ad will appear. You want it or not? They're asking question. You want your ad to be appear there also or not? It's better not to select this. When you're not selecting, Google says that, why you are missing your opportunity, do it. But according to my experience, not required. What I feel is people who come from Google only genuine customers than the other search engines. See, Google is saying that most advertisers include their ads on Google search partner site, but I don't want to do it. Next, display network. Apart from Google search engines, whenever people are browsing on separate websites also, I want to show your ad. Is that okay saying? Expand your reach by showing ads to relevant customers as they browse sites, videos, and app across the internet. Again, I request not to select this. Purely on SERP. This is good for the small budget companies. Big budget, let it be. But small budget company, don't select both of them. Right. Here, few more options are there, which I'm going to explain later. At this stage, not required. Where you want to show this ad? No, which place? Hyderabad. But here it is showing throughout India, all countries and territories. Here you have to select the proper location, Hyderabad. So I want to show my ad only in Hyderabad. This one. Now what happened? Throughout Hyderabad, your ad is appearing. Now your institute is in Panjagutta. Your ad is appearing to the LB Nagar guy. Do you think it's good? What happened? He wanted to look for the best digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Your institute is here. He clicked on your ad. Later he come to know that it's in Panjagutta. But for LB Nagar guy, Dilshanagar Nagar is a good place. Of course, also a good institute. But what happened? That guy don't have a patience to travel this much. Then obviously he'll go for that. He might be calling you also, but he will not join. Then why should I show my ad to that guy? If you select complete Hyderabad, your ad will come to complete Hyderabad. Again, Patan Cheru guy also will see my ad, which is too far from this place. He'll go to Kukatpalli. Then what you do is, apart from this, you just close it. There is an option advanced search. Select this. Here select the radius targeting. Now kilometers. 10 I'm selecting. Enter your targeted location where your institute is. Panjagutta. Panjagutta surrounding 10 kilometers only your ad will appear. Starting from this point to Kukatpalli, it will come High Tech City, Banjara Hills. But Kompalli, Ramchandrapuram, BHL, Chilkur, Elvinagar people, your ad will not appear. So it's good for you. For small budget people, this is only the best option. Then save. Multiple locations you can target. I want to target this place. I want to target only Banjara Hills. I want to target only Kukatpalli also. Multiple locations you can target. Down you have one more option, location options. In the next video, I'll be explaining you. At this stage, the basic one, just watch it. But make sure that next video also you should watch it anyway. I'll be putting the link in the description. Languages. In which language your ad will appear? English. But if you want, you can show your ad in a different languages. Bengali, Chinese, Telugu, Tamil also available. Again, this option not required as of now. Leave it. This is good in display. Budget. How much amount you want to spend per day? This is the daily budget. It's up to you. Depends on your company. Mention it. So I'm mentioning 1,000 rupees. It's a daily budget. Here also some options are there. I'm removing it. Bidding. Bidding is two types here again. One is manual bidding. One is automatic bidding. Manual bidding means you only put amount. 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees, you only invest it. Automatic bidding, Google will bid on behalf of you. You don't have to put in the auctions, participate in the auction. Google will do it for you. Assume that we both competitors, he and me, we are participating in the auction. He's saying the 30 rupees, but I don't know. But Google knows, right? Google say 31. If you say 40, Google say 41. If you say 50, it say 51. So always it makes me on top. But the problem is if you say 1 lakh also, it say 1 lakh 1. He doesn't know how much amount I have. It will make you on top. That is a problem in automatic bidding. There is no control. That's why go for manual bidding. See, by default, Google made the algorithm in such a way that automatic bidding only showing. Now, if you want to show manual bidding, select a bid strategy directly. He's saying not recommended. Click on this. In the drop down, select your manual CPC. These are all the automatic biddings. But whatever I'm saying right now, it might not be correct. Tomorrow I'll say something else. Because if you learn this, next video you'll understand. Actually, automatic bidding only good, but today understand that manual bidding only good. Manual CPC. Manual CPC means everything is in your control. You can put whatever the budget you want. So I've been to campaign. I give a campaign name. Don't select anything here. Target location you mention properly. Language is English. Daily budget. Manual CPC. There are many options. Leave them. In the next video, you'll be clearly explaining all these things. Then click on save and continue. Account is done. Campaign is done. Next is what? Ad group. Ad group. How many ad group we planned? 3. SEO, Google Ads, digital marketing. So this is one ad group. Ad group name 1. SEO. Then I want to create another one. It's not giving option. Maybe. Actually, previously there was an option in such a way that you can create multiple ad groups. There is an option to click on plus symbol, but it's not giving anyway. Let it be. So how much you want to charge? I said manual bidding, right? Then how much you want to pay? Per click. Per click. How much you want to go? 10 rupees? Chalo, you directly put 10 rupees. And assume that you coming on a first position. You only coming on a first position. Google say congratulations. But now you have a doubt how much this guy is paying. If this guy is paying 2 rupees only, you are the loser, right? Then what should be the actual PPC, CPC? 3 rupees. Chalo, assume you put 3 rupees. But are you sure that this guy is paying 2 rupees? Then how much you have to go? You have to go with the least amount. Go with 1 rupee. Go with 1 rupee, and you're coming on a 10th, 7th position. Increase to 2 rupees. Increase to 2 rupees. Manually increase the price so that you can save your amount. Chalo, I don't want to add. Save and continue. Generally, while you're creating ad groups, previously the tool was in such a way that when the ad group you're creating, automatically keywords used to come. They change this anyway. Right. Keywords. For what keywords you want to show the ad? SEO training in Hyderabad. Line by line, you can add keywords. And you're not getting any ideas. Copy this, put it over here. It will give you some suggestions. So these are all the suggestions you have. Whatever you want to click on the plus symbol, it will get it over here. In this also we have a keyword match types. Next video you'll be learning. Everything is done. Click on save and continue. So almost done. July 19th your ad started. Panjagutta, English language. This is the location. Your daily budget is 1000 rupees and you selected a manual CPC as a thing. We created one campaign, one ad group, 4 keywords. Ad we haven't created. I'll be creating next. So now create an ad. There is an option, create an ad. So click on plus symbol. Search network, what is the ad? Text to ad, right? Click on the text to ad. Right. Ad is very, very important. Now, you just tell me, I'm searching digital marketing training in Hyderabad. This is the keyword I'm searching. Obviously, this guy is coming on top. Means his CPC is good, right? Now, this guy is coming on 4th position. He's paying more, less actually. Out of 4 ads, which ad you will click? First two. But everybody is not same. Assume that a BTech student is searching. He's looking for a job. What I feel is he'll click on the 4th ad. Why? He'll be clicking on the 4th ad. Why? See. So he's saying that course with 100% job placement. He's looking for a job. Your title is saying the same. You click on this. Generally, most of the people click on the first ad. But he's saying that job, there is a possibility. You click on this, that one. So even though you are paying more, your ad is not catchy. People might not click. So it's very important that your ad should be catchy. This guy is not paying much, but his ad is catchy, so he's getting more clicks. So ad plays huge role. You see the traditional advertising TV ads. TV ads, some ads are very attractive with a less time, 30 seconds, they convey the message. Santur ad. One beautiful girl is dancing. 2 other beautiful girls are observing. She's good bulke. One beautiful girl come. Then she say, "Mummy," and they show Santur's ad. 30 seconds mein they convert the message. They showed that if you use Santur soap, even though you're married, you look young. But some ads will be there. Mostly car ads. You don't understand what is that ad is. It will go for 1 minute, 2 minutes. This World Cup also I saw some ads. I didn't understand them. Kia Motors. What is that message? Tell me.
What is tiger is doing here?
That is what I don't know what that animal is that. What is that creature actually? Maybe Korean animal is that one. So I don't know that ad. So some people spend a lot of time and money, but we don't understand what that ad is. So you have to be a good advertiser. Here you have a limited characters. See, heading line 1 30, 30, 30, 90, 90. Within this only you have to convey your message. This is challenging anyway. You will learn from the experience only. The best way to learn is learn from the competitors. Search what they are using and put it. Do the experience, you'll do it. Now first, URL. What is your website URL? Mention the URL here. Okay. See here by default is showing HTTPS, but your website have HTTP. You can't continue with HTTPS. Mention the remove everything and mention HTTP only. Otherwise ad will not run, because your website is http and you're showing https, it will not go. Whatever the url is, copy and paste it over here. Now heading line, what do you want to convey? SEO training in Hyderabad. Exactly 30 characters. If one more character I use, it will become red. So it has to be 30 characters only. Right. So generally, ad work in such a way that your URL will be there, heading line 1 and heading line 2. Heading line 2 can be any of these things. They're taking these three ideas, but only two lines will be appearing. That's why each and every line make it creative. Right. There is a path. This is optional anyway. It's not required. Next I'll be explaining. Next, description line 1, description line 2. Out of this, only one line will be appearing anyway. But we don't know which one is. So make them properly. Right. Now description. Another one I'm writing. Okay. Right. And if you observe, when I'm using a heading line 1, the first letter I used capital letter. If you don't use capital letter, it doesn't look good. You might observe newspaper also, the headings they use in capital letters. So here also if you see, all the people first letter, generally in English, in the sentence first letter should be capital, not on the every word, but here every word use it. If anyone is using without the capital, it doesn't look good. If you see, all the advertisers made in such a way only. But you can't make all the letters capital. That's not against the rule. And depends on the target audience you're doing. Assume that your target audience is you want to train experienced people. Experienced people, they don't look for a job actually directly. They don't get attracted for the keyword called 100% job. What they need is quality training. Then if your title is saying that get trained by experienced people, experienced person, 10 years experienced trainer, then they'll get attracted. Okay. And some people, entrepreneurs, want to join the course. Maybe they might see the certification, Google certified trainers or else MICA certified trainer, this kind of thing, they get attracted. So one ad I've created, this is one ad. I can create another ad also. Minimum one ad should be there, but maximum n number of ads you can create. It's always good practice to create two ads. One ad attract them with the job, another ad attract them with the experienced trainer. Then what Google will do, sometimes it will show this ad, sometimes it will show this ad, A by B testing. Now for the which version of ad people are attracting more, it will make it as a winner. That only completely it will go anyway. So it is asking me to create another one. As of now, I'm not doing. One ad I have created. Now this is under review. A Google employee will check the ad, whether the ad is good or not, whether the sensitive content is there or not, and non-sensitive content, and they will disapprove the ad if ad consists of trademarks. I can use certification, but I can't use Google certification because Google is not my trademark, someone else trademark. SAP I can't use. Maruti Suzuki you can't use anyway. So don't use other brands. And too much of punctuation, too much of capital, everything is a capital, they will reject your ad. Okay, everything is done, your ad will be live. But you have to make the payment. See, as of now, your account can't show ads because you haven't mentioned the billing. Click on fix it and pay the money. So here it is asking the billing country and your name, account type is, it will be individual. Sometimes it's a business owner option also will be there. If you're really a business owner, then only select it. But if you mention as a business owner, you have to provide your tax information also, GST information. It is good for you, you can save some amount. But you are a student, then it has to be individual only. So that they won't ask anything. Now, one more option. When you want to make the payment, there are two kinds of payments options available. One is manual payment and automatic payment. Automatic payment means you'll be doing from the credit card. You pay for this service only after you accrue costs via an automatic charge when you reach your billing threshold or 30 days after your last automatic payment, whichever comes first. Means they'll be giving some credit amount. So I'm working with the client. He have a credit limit of $500. Now, first ads will run. Within 30 days of time, it got $450 anyway, but 30 days is done, right? Then they'll ask you money, you have to pay amount. Or else within 1 week, his threshold amount is $500. It is finished. Then ad will pause, you have to make the payment. It's a post-paid kind of thing. And if you don't have a credit card, then go for manual payment. If it is a manual payment, this is more like a prepaid. First you pay the amount, utilize them. So how much you want to pay the amount? It depends on the company. We said the daily budget is 1,000. Your company want to run the ads for 30 days, then 30,000. 30,000. Generally, companies will have a budget of 40 lakhs to 50 lakhs budget for this. So assume that I'm mentioning 30,000 is a total budget. Whatever the amount you mentioned here, every campaign will utilize it. Now, let me ask some question. There is a campaign 1. There is their daily budget is 1,000. There is a campaign 2. Their budget is 1,000. Now total budget is 30,000. All campaigns are running for 30 days. Assume that. Chalo, leave it. 30 days. Now you have a 2 campaigns. You want to run for 30 days. You tell me how much amount is required for 30 days. 60,000, right? Chalo, leave about it. Your total budget is 30,000. It run for 30 days. How much amount deducted from the campaign 1? How much amount deducted from the campaign 2? 15,000. So your total budget will be shared by the campaigns. If one more campaign is there, that campaign also use the total budget only. So total budget is the main thing. All the campaign will utilize the fund from that budget only. Right. And whatever the thing you want, whether you want credit card, debit card, mention that and submit. So tax status, you are unregistered individual because you haven't registered. If you are registered individual, they ask you the GST information. Whatever the amount you're paying plus 18% GST, they'll be asking you. They'll take the amount from you. Right. This is how you have to create a campaign. This is how you have to pay the amount also. We're not paying anything in this as of now. Right. But actually, we are supposed to create 2 campaigns, and 1 campaign also we are supposed to create 2 ad groups, but we have done only 1 ad group. So let me create the remaining things also. So let me go back. I'll show the complete tool. Observe properly. So see my cursor. All campaigns, search Hyderabad, select all campaigns. This is the proper structure. You can see all the campaigns over here. As of now, you have created only one campaign, search Hyderabad. You have to create Bangalore also, right? Then click on plus symbol, new campaign, same process you'll be doing. Now, when you click on the campaign, you will see ad group level data. This is the ad group level data. How many ad group we are supposed to create? But we create only one. You want to create the remaining two, click on plus symbol and do it. So ad group name, this is Google ad, and how much you want to pay, and create the ad. And after that, it is asking the keywords. What all the keywords you want, you can mention them. Blah blah blah. You mention all the keywords. Then save and continue. Now one more also you can do it. Now once you click on ad group, you will see all your keywords. These are all the keywords you targeted. Okay, and you had only 4 keywords. You want more again? Click on plus symbol. More keywords you can add. Then add. Left hand side, if you see initially when you started only 5 options were there. Now it is increased. Ads and extension. This is the ad we created. If you want to create one more type of ad also, you can come plus symbol and create the ad. Anytime you can pause the ad or you can delete the ad. Same keywords also. You can pause the keywords if it is not performing. If you want, you can delete the keyword also. Remove the keyword. So they keep on changing it actually. Maybe down the line 1 month after, if you seeing the video also, they might have changed the algorithm, but very small changes will be there. You can understand. But this is the basic structure. And once you run the live campaign, you will see all the options. This option, this option, this option, everything you will see it. Okay, that's it. Things to remember. There are 2 things from the Google. One is a Google Ad service. One is a Google Ads Express service. Google always try to take you to the Google Ads Express, but you have to escape from that. When you're logging with the Gmail account, it will ask you what do you want, man, sales, website traffic. Don't select anything. There is an option called expert. Switch to expert mode. Previously, you're getting like a experience with Google Ads. There is an option. Click on that option. Once you click on that one, then it will ask you some options again. But select an option, create an account without campaign. Then blah 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 blah. Once again, I'll show you so that it is experience for you. So here we have 2 accounts. I want to create another account. Click on the plus symbol. So this is a new account. Again, still it's in express mode. We have to escape from that. See again now, a different kind of thing is going. What idiot is. So what happened? The people who watching the video and you also get confused anyway. So they should not this much anyway. So experience with Google Ads. Click on this. This is their tool. They're playing with the tool. What do you have to do now? Create an account without a campaign. Now, what was the country, currency, time zone? Mention it and submit it. You got this message means perfectly you launched in the perfect campaign. See, left hand side only limited options are there. Now you want to create a campaign. Click on plus symbol. New campaign. Now, don't select anything, not required. We select manually, whichever you want. Search campaign. Don't select anything. Continue. Now here give a campaign name. If you're working for a small company, don't select these things. Big company, let it be like that. And which location you want to target, mention them. If you want, you can select Hyderabad, Bangalore. If you want too much targeting also, go to radius targeting. Language English. And budget, what is the daily budget you want to go? So again, by default, you want to go with the automatic bidding. Automatic bidding, what happened? It is there in the Google control. So you want to have in your control, click on this option here, manual CPC. Okay, save and continue. Next, add groups option. In the previous version, they used to ask add groups at one stage, keywords also in one stage. See, this how it used to be happened actually. Add group name SEO, how much bid 1 rupee, now the keywords. Mention 4 to 5 keywords, later you can change. Again, plus new keyword, new ad group. Here you mention SEM, again default bid 1 rupee. So here Google Ads. Third one, this is digital marketing ad group, 1 rupee, the keyword. If you want, you can use this thing I said. So all the suggestions will come. If you want, you can take them. Everything is done, save and continue. Now it is going to the ad. Ad is very important because by seeing these headlines only, people think whether to click on or not. That's why it has to be catchy. You should understand this thing. So as of now, I'm not creating anyway. So heading line 1, heading line 2, heading line 3, 30 characters. Description 1 and 2, 90 characters. This is the URL you have to give. Everything is done. Click on save and continue. That's it. Okay. Right, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section so that I'll be replying back. Thank you very much.